How hair grows in 7 days. Stop hair fall, long hair, thick hair, and shiny hair. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of baby oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this recipe on your hair and leave it on overnight. For best results, use this recipe 3 times a week. Oh, finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.